Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a wall charger. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular, and we see they do mention how it does have 140 watts max power on here when you guys do use it. And they also mention how the product has a GaN5 technology, so that we can get a faster charging speed at a safe speed as well. And using the GaN technology allows the product to be much smaller than your typical wall chargers. And obviously for the product, when you guys do use it, it definitely has the protection built in terms of overvoltage protection, overcharge protection, and the list goes on. But first, I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside, they do provide guys a USB-C to USB-C cable that's used to recharge the device. And if you guys open this part here, inside they also provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they also provide you guys a sticker as well. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product. So let's do take off the wrapper. Here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do take it out. And you see right here, we do have the brand name. And then right here, we do have 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option. So like I mentioned, for the overall total, when you guys do use it, it's 140 watts spread out throughout the product. And when you guys do use this output, it does have a power delivery option and quick charging option. And when you guys first get the product, you probably want to remove the film first, so you don't slide it out. Once you guys do slide it out, this is what the product looks like on the side. So they mention how it does have 140 watts with the GaN technology. And back part right here is a plug that you guys can open up and then plug it into the wall to activate the product. And then once you have it done, you have to fold it back up. So that will save a lot of space when you guys are not using it, which is pretty cool, especially when you guys are traveling. And if you guys are curious about the specs of the product, they do provide that information right here in the back. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I should test it out, I do want to show you guys the comparison between the other one from the Apple brand. So right here, I do have the Apple 140 watts USB-C adapter. When you guys put it side by side, you guys can see a slight difference that's on here. The one for the Baseus brand is slightly smaller, especially when you guys put it side by side like this. And you see how the Apple one is slightly bigger. So definitely save a little space when you guys use the Baseus one instead of this one. And you guys also get like the extra USB-C option and USB option as well. And because the product has like the GaN5 technology, it can charge much faster than Apple one as well, which is pretty cool. And supposedly for the USB-C option, it does provide you guys power delivery 3.1. And when you guys use the cable that's provided for you, it will support it. So whether if you guys want to charge your phone, your laptop, or anything else, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug it in to show you guys what actually works. So let's do open up. If you guys plug in your power strip, once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does light up. So that is basically how you guys know when it's on. So now let's plug something in to test it out to show you guys what actually works. So right here, I do have my USB-C to lightning cable. If you guys do plug it in, other side I want to plug it onto a phone. All right, you can see it does work. You can see it does work. Now try the USB option. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work as well. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to charge 3 devices at the same time, you definitely have the option available. But in order for you guys to get the fastest charging speed on here, your percentage on your device needs to be pretty low. Basically, the lower is the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or somewhere higher than that, it will slow down the charge. And obviously for the product, since it does support 140 watts, you definitely have the option to use it for your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whether it be 13-inch, 14-inch, or 16-inch. It should support all those laptops. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this wall charger, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wall charger that basically give you guys the GaN technology, give you guys 2 USB-C option, USB option, and the same amount of power on here in terms of 140 watts. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, they obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.